What's up, guys? I am going to show you how to use your voice and make it AI because I live in an apartment. When I'm screaming, doing metal stuff, it other people hear it. And the hallway is right behind me, and the microphone picks up people walking and slamming the door, going to their apartments and whatnot. So I figured, why not make my voice AI so I can just kind of put it in there on days or at certain times where I can't be singing to my full potential. And boy, do I tell you what, it's pretty great. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you what the original song sounds like and how I got to the AI voice for this song. So we're going to listen to like the first minute. And I used AI kits. But more on that later. What we're going to do is listen to the very original of what I did for the song I called Mr. Nobody. And on YouTube, I named it Modern Day Living is Just Slavery with Extra Steps. Because, we all work our ass off. Most of us do, and we have nothing to show for it. So this is what the song sounds like. Modern day living is just slavery with extra steps. Nothing is free, nothing is fair. The system broken beyond repair. How can I escape from this hell? Rage against the change, my spirit will prevail. Smart enough to think of it all, not in the work. But dumb enough to blissfully accept your shitty fate. Swimming away to motherfuckers who do not give a fuck about you. Voters in the union, victims of a system that's forever relevant. Nowhere to go, nothing you can do is the cost of living is shot to the roof. Alright, so that's what the song sounds like. And what I did was take my vocals, just the vocals, and I put it into Kits AI. And this is what it sounds like. Modern day living is just slavery with extra steps. Nothing is free, nothing is fair. The system broken beyond repair. How can I escape from this hell? Rage against the change, my spirit will prevail. Mr. Nobody! Mr. Nobody! Mr. Nobody! Mr. Nobody! So that's what my vocals sound like. They don't want you to really put a bunch of effects and duplicate vocals on there. I kind of cheated, but I did take out the fast screaming, talking stuff behind the Mr. Nobody screams. So what we're going to do now is listen to what the AI voice sounds like. And what I did was use a male emo pop character. You can choose between all kinds of stuff like smooth male pop.
And you can take
or a female warm pop.
So good when we slow grab.
A gritty male rock.
And I'm tired of pretending that we are the same.
So what it's going to do is take your voice and kind of make it sound like that. And this is what mine sounds like with the emo voice character on it.
Modern day living is just slavery with extra steps. Nothing is right, nothing is fair. The system broken beyond repair. How can I escape from this hell? Raise against the change, my spirit will prevail. Say reload now. Flip the system that's forever. Nowhere to go, nothing to do is supposed to let it get shut around. The day you join is the day you are free from these shackles placed around your feet. There's no escape, there is no way out. We are all Mr. Nobody.
So that's what it sounds like, and sounds pretty good. I love it. I'm going to use this voice from here on out, and stay tuned for some awesome vocals. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is what it sounds like by itself.
Daily thing is just slavery with extra steps. Stop it, right? Never ask and the system broke beyond repair. Now to rise slide from this hell. Race against the change must very well grow through.
Alright. Obviously, I can't do screaming and raspy vocals very well, but I think for rap and a lot of modern pop stuff, this would be great. I'm not bashing Kit's AI. I'm just having fun with it, and this is the first thing I did with it, and it was freaking hilarious, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So yeah, that's it. You can go listen to the actual song in the link below. Love you guys. Have a good one.